DuraReady's 1038D window labels allow you to print DIY vehicle identification or inspection labels, dealership inventory labels, and parking access control labels. These exclusive labels are made of 3 parts: our patented resin ribbon, a clear 4x3-inch label, and a white 3x2-inch label, which is held by our clear label. This design makes them perfect for window and glass applications. These labels are only compatible with the Dymo Label Writer 4XL and select Zebra 4-inch desktop and mobile printers.